Okay. Now, specifically, I have kept the today's class as a career guidance counseling. Actually, I wanted to take this class as a offline because I wanted your parents also, because parents also should know what are the things are available after the 12th science. Okay, 12th science is like a base, I will say, where you can go in any of the field. Once your 12th science is done with good percentage, you can choose any field. Okay, so because of that, 12th science is very important at present. Okay, at present scenario, if I am talking about, so you should know like which are the options available. I have seen many students, like if suppose you are asking, which what you wanted to do, he will say like engineering. Which engineering? Electrical engineering. I said electrical engineering, fine, good. Then I asked him like, do you know how many engineering are there, or which are the engineering? He said like, no, in 10th standard I heard only about the electrical and mechanical. So from electrical and mechanical I have chosen electrical. This is the problem. Okay. So what is the main thing here? Many students nowadays don't have a proper career guidance counseling. They don't know what to select. And if suppose they know where to go, you should know the path also. It is not like only you will know like where to go. I wanted to go at that particular top of the mountain, but how to go, that matters. To go there, what are the things you have to follow, that matters. Now one person, like in 10th standard, that person is decided that I wanted to go for a medical. Okay, fine, he will go in a medical, but while taking the admission in science, that person have not taken a biology. He, after 12th, he wanted to go for a medical, but while taking the science, he have not taken a biology. You tell me, after being in 11th and 12th, when the time comes to go for a medical, he is not having a biology at that time. Can he go to the medical at that time? He cannot go. Understood? No, many things are there which student doesn't know. You will not believe, these are the actual stories I'm talking about. Okay, so there are different paths are there which you can choose, different paths. Some people are taking a job also after the 12th science. Okay, anyone knows what job you can get after a 12th science? 12th science is the eligibility criteria. Any job you can tell? Specifically 12th science eligibility criteria they are mentioning. Anyone knows? No. You heard about a lab assistant, lab attendant, or lab assistant? Either in the biology or in the chemistry or any of this thing. They want 12th science. Okay, so that is a job. Many people have choose that after 12th science. No, if suppose they don't wanted to go for higher study, they wanted a job. Go for this. This is like a reputed job, and at least you don't have that much work. This is like a lower student I'm talking about. Many have taken already. Okay, so directly we'll start with this. Now the major subject in the science, when you are taking a science, the major subjects are what? Physics, maths, chemistry, biology. These are the major subjects. Okay, now nowadays what happened? This particular subjects is bifurcated. You can call it as PCM and PCB. Bifurcated. Some people are taking all the four subjects. Actually, these are the major four subjects, but some are taking, who are really smart, that those people are bifurcating. Like one will be PCM, another will be PCB. What is the advantage when you are bifurcating these things? The advantage is what? Now see here, these are the more four major four subjects are there. That means how much time you have to devote, equally the time you have to devote. Here you are removing one subject. Now, which subject you have removed here? Biology. Rather than biology, you might take geography or psychology. That is the easy one. Here also the same thing. You have removed math. So if you are not taking math, again geography you can take or psychology you can take. Now, when we are bifurcating these things, when we are taking PCM, if suppose you wanted or you have decided to go in an engineering field, rather than saying a engineering students, i will say I will say a technical field. Okay, technical. I will say a technical field. PCB. When you are taking PCB, anyone can tell me? Yes, for a medical line. Okay. When you are taking all these four, some people you have seen might be. Some people are taking all these four, but they don't wanted to go for technical, they don't wanted to go for medical. Then which line they wanted to go for? Anyone knows? Anyone? When you are taking all the four subjects, that time that person wanted to go for pure science. So that three things are there here. First is what? Technical. Second is what? Medical. And third is what? Pure science. So three things are available to you: technical, medical, pure science. Now you decide. You yourself decide which subject I have. Now already you have bifurcated and taken PCM. Then only option remaining with you is technical. If you have taken medical, this thing PCB, then it is medical. If you have taken PMCB all, then you can go for a pure science. Now one more question: if suppose you have taken PCM, can't you go for a pure science? Yes, you can go for a pure science also. Which are the pure science? What is meant by pure science? Anyone can tell me what is meant by pure science? Which degree is called as a pure science? Anyone? All degrees are bachelor, but what? Yes, right. That is BSc. You heard about BSc, right? So it can be BSc in physics, BSc in mathematics, BSc in chemistry, BSc in biology. Now, biology subject is not there after the 12th. Biology subject is again bifurcated. They have said botany and zoology. Botany means with respect to the plant studies. Zoology means with respect to the animal studies. Is it clear to you? Now you see what are the lines. These are the three things, major bifurcation. So you decide first which line you wanted to go. Technical you wanted to go, medical you wanted to go, or you wanted to go for a pure science. That you decide first. All have decided which are at least this from these three you choose one. Choose, yes or no? Okay. So now we are going to take one by one. Okay. Which you want first, technical or medical? Which you want? Technical. Okay. Now, first we are going to take technical. Okay. Now, technical means it is nothing but a engineering field. Now, which is the course when we are saying a technical? It is called as a BE. It is called as BE. That is Bachelor of Engineering. Sometimes it is also called as BTech. That is Bachelor of Technology. Now BE is Bachelor of Engineering, but there are different types of engineering are there. Okay, which engineering you want? Again, you have to choose. Okay, now already I have spoken about like which subjects are required. Which are the subjects required? P, C, M. That is physics, chemistry, maths. These are the subjects required for the technical field. Okay, these are the compulsory subjects. Now, what about the use or what is the use of a Goa board? How much percentage is required if you wanted to go for a technical field? Technical field is a professional field. It is not a easy normal one like anybody can go there. No. If you wanted to go for a technical, that is engineering, you need to clear a competitive exams. There are different exams which I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so the thing is what you need to clear different exams. Okay, now these are the subjects required for you to go for a technical field. Now, which are the engineerings are there? Normal engineering, you can say like electrical, mechanical. Can you see this? What I have written on the board? Okay, electrical, mechanical. Then ETC. ETC. Anybody can tell me? Don't know? Yes, very good. Electrical and telecommunication. Then electronics. Then civil. Then environmental. Many are there. I cannot write all. Okay. Then sound engineering. Then animation, and so on. Many are there. Okay. So these are the at least basics. The sound engineering is not there in Goa. Again, I'm telling you, but many people are going towards it, sound engineering, but it is not there in Goa. Then marine is there in Goa, marine engineering. Then mining engineering is also there separately in Goa. Only the sound engineering is not there in Goa. Other all engineering are there in Goa. You can learn all this engineering, that is Bachelor of Engineering, in Goa itself, where Goan colleges are giving this particular degrees. Okay, this is called electrical, mechanical. Electrical, you know what is meant by electrical. Mechanical, ETC means means more about the computer. Again, computer science is there. I just forgot to write. I will write here computer science. Then IT is there. IT, anybody can tell me the full form? Very good. Okay. So these are also there. ETC, okay, ETC and IT and CS. These are like common. All three people can take the similar job. Again, I'm telling you, CS, ETC, and IT can take the similar job. What is the job? More of the type of the software developer. Okay, to develop a software. Electronics, electronics. What is the difference between the electrical and electronics? Who can tell? Physics student. Difference between electrical electronics. Electrical is more about the wires and all. Okay, wiring in short. At present, whatever you can see at home, no, the fan is working, all these lights and all the wiring, that is the electrical. Electronics means what? When you are exactly gadgets. If you open the TV or anything, no, fridge, and you can see a board like green color board. Yes or no? Where the small things, a capacitor is there, resistor, every that is the electronics things. Okay, then civil engineering, to build constructions, you in short you can say construction. Environmental, it is more about both sustainable development. Now people are going towards the sustainable development. Now to develop a road, okay, rather than cutting a tree or cutting an entire mountain, you wanted to go for a tunnel. Okay, so such type of the things are more explained by the environmental engineering. So he wanted that a person will go for a engineering infrastructure as well as to sustain an environment. Okay, sound engineering means at present whatever sounds like big things are there, no, different types of the things are going on, even a concert or many things. I will not say only about a concert, but different thing wherever sounds are needed. So that thing is for a sound engineering, like film industries and all. Marine engineering means on a boat or a cruise where the engine is there, no, so to work with respect to that engine, it is required a marine engineering. There are mining engineering. Now at present it is kept on a hold in Goa. Now earlier many people have joined because mining is not working nowadays, no, but mining engineering is also there in GEC. GEC, you know, no, what is meant by GEC? Anyone? Very good. Where it is? Where it is located? Honda. Okay. So these are the normal engineering where you have to choose now among this. If suppose you are going in an engineering field, you have to choose among this. Now, which are the, so any doubt or any difficulty or anything you wanted to ask with respect to a particular subject of the engineering? Hmm? Which one? Which one? ETC. This one. In this, no, it is more about the electrical and telecommunication. Telecommunication means what? How we are contacting mobile phone and all communication. They are this thing communication thing. They are dealing with the electrical thing. Means they are learning both. They are learning how to develop a software, as well as they are learning more of the what electrical things also. So software as well as electronics. So it is a mixture of both. Okay. Anything else? Clear? Okay. Now we'll go for a exams. Now technical, when you are saying technical, that time which exam you need to clear? Which are the exams? First exam is GCET. You heard about this exam? Ah. Now, if you are saying GCET, the full form of that is Goa Common Entrance Test. That is this particular exam. Without this exam, you cannot take admission in any engineering college. You need to answer this particular exam. If you are answering this exam and you are coming in the merit list, then only you will get an admission in engineering in given colleges. Now, which are the colleges? That also I will tell you. If suppose you are giving an exam, GCET exam. Now, which are the subjects required for you? I have told you PCM, but to get in engineering, you need to give physics and maths. No need to give for the chemistry. Okay. Now, which are the engineering colleges are there in Goa? GEC, PCC, Verna, RIT, Ponda, again Shiroda, and Don Bosco. Okay, this much I will write. And Varmore is there. Agnel College is there in Mapsa. Nobody is going in that. It's the standard is low. At least these four colleges are there. Now, if you are asking me which is the best college, first thing is many people are preferring GEC first. The first preference is for a GEC. Second preference is for a Don Bosco. Third preference is for a PCC, and fourth preference is for a RIT. Now, based on what these preferences are came out, it is because of the what job opportunity. If suppose you are doing engineering and if you are not occupied by any of the company, what is the use of your engineering? It's useless, right? So from where you are getting this first, second, third, what is the meaning of that? The engineering is done in GEC, is occupied first by the companies, then Don Bosco, then PCC, then RIT. Now Don Bosco is a new college, but the standard is very high, which is there in Fatodda, Margao. Okay, standard is very high. It is gone very high. So many this Don Bosco college in collaboration with the foreign countries. So you can be occupied from there also. Okay, so this is the standard of the engineering colleges in Goa by giving GCET exam. Is this clear? Okay. Again, engineering. What if you are doing engineering? How much years is required to clear your engineering? How many years? Duration of the course? Anyone knows? 4 years. Okay. Now, GCET. This is the GCET means I will say a local one. Anybody can give the GCET. Anybody can take the seat among this. Anybody. You don't have to come near me. You can join any other coaching classes. You will clear GCET. You will get this. I have opened these coaching classes for a particular aim. Okay, I wanted to send many of the students either in IITs or NITs. My aim is more on the NITs. NIT is what? National Institute of Technology. Already my two students of mine is already gone there. Now this year how many will go? I don't know because till now the exam is not done. Okay, so I have opened this Alchemist Academy because of this, so that many of the student I will send it to the professional level, not this GCET thing. Every each and every student of mine is clearing this GCET and is going in normal engineering colleges. I'm not considering also of that thing. I'm considering only if you are getting in MBBS or higher thing, or in NITs or IITs. Because first of all, my I myself is from the BITS Pilani. Understood? So I know how to clear these exams. So accordingly, I will help you to clear out of this. So rather than focusing on GCT, whoever is thought now, okay, I have to give GCT, don't think. Keep this GCT as a second option. So which is your first option? This exam is your first option. And I'm focusing more on this exam. You heard about this exam, students? JEE mains. It is a all over India exam where three subjects are compulsory. PCM. Okay, how many questions are coming from this? 30 questions from physics, 30 questions from chemistry, 30 questions from mathematics. So all three subjects are having equal weightage. Again, this PCM is from which are the syllabus? The syllabus is both 11th as well as 12th. Whatever you have learned, NCRT textbook you have to follow. Whatever you have learned in 11th and whatever you are going to learn in 12th, the NCRT textbook only, but of higher level. NCRT textbook you have to go through, you will get a base, but base is not enough. With base you need to do higher, critical thinking is required for you, that I will teach you how to do. But important is, I want each and every student should focus on this exam. Whoever is going to go for a engineering or a technical field will focus on this exam. In this also, if you clear JEE mains, then what? Then you can get a admission in which college? NIT. You heard about this? NIT. This is where I was telling you that my students have gone. National Institute of Technology. If suppose any of the Goan student is clearing GCET and he wanted to go in NIT, he cannot go. NIT is having a level. It is a national level all over India. You are getting your enrollment is with respect to all over India. So if you are getting an admission in NIT, no, it is based on all over India ranking. So for that you have to come in merit for JEE mains. This exam. This exams is usually twice a year. One is in January, second is in April. Okay, because of COVID, some things are postponement is still going on. So mine students are more preparing for this exam. Now this NITs, no, there are many NITs. I will share you after the class. But mine focus is again in Goa, because Goan students don't wanted to go out. Fine. If you don't want, fine. You can do in Goa only, because NIT is also there in Goa. IIT is also there in Goa. But to clear IIT, what you have to do? First, you have to clear a JEE mains. After clearing a JEE mains, one more exam called JEE Advance. This exam you need to clear. And after clearing this exam only you can go in IIT. You heard about IIT? Hmm. So to go in IIT, what is the path? First you have to clear JEE mains, then you need to clear JEE Advance, then only you can get in IITs. Okay, so this is a higher level, I will say. Even if you are getting clearing JEE mains, and even if you are going in NITs Goa, no, you are successful enough, because after doing a engineering in Goa, PCC, GEC, RIT, any engineering college, the starting salary you might get is 12,000. How much? Please reply. How much? 12,000. Enough for you? Enough? Ah, of course not. No, nowadays it's not enough. Some people are not getting a job after 2 to 3 years. So 12,000 you will get. But if you do the engineering from the by clearing JEE mains, go in NITs. This college you go in NITs. All this engineering are available in this college also. in NITs. Do you know what is the starting package? At least you will get 20 lakhs package per annum for a year. What is the package? 20 lakhs. Can you tell me the package of this? If suppose you have a 12,000 salary monthly, then what is yearly? How much is the yearly? Who can tell me? 1 point. Okay, forget about it. Maximum we can say 2 lakhs. Is it fine? 1 lakh 44. I have said at least 2 lakhs. So just imagine, if you are doing a normal engineering with this engineering college, you will get how much? What is the salary? 2 lakhs. For a year, by entire year you are struggling, and how much you are earning? 2 lakhs. But if you are doing your engineering from NIT's Goa, same engineering, what is the salary you are going to get? 20 lakhs. Same engineering, if you are doing from IITs, then minimum salary you will take, minimum, not maximum, I'm talking about. Minimum salary you are going to take at least 50 lakhs if you are doing this engineering. You understood the difference now? Doing the engineering in different colleges. Goa colleges, what is the salary? NITs, what is the salary? And IITs, what is the salary? You understood the difference now? Yes or no? Ah. So simply you are not getting this 50 lakhs, no. Simply you are not getting 50 lakhs in IIT. To get in IITs is very difficult because first you need to clear JEE mains, then you need to clear JEE advanced. Then only you are getting admission in IITs, then you have to clear that course. So that person is of a higher level. Understood? So now you decide what you wanted to do. Now this is just a JEE mains. We'll go to the next. I'll tell you next thing. This I have told for a JEE mains. So each and every student of mine, whoever is going to going to go for engineering, should give this exam, JEE mains, because I am going to prepare you for a competitive classes. You have already got the notes, I think, for competitive classes to crack this exam. Are you ready to crack this exam? Yes or no? If suppose no, then I will tell you like you can join any other coaching classes. I am going to go from a base to a higher level, but only thing I need, you should be focused and you should have first aim to clear this. You should say that I will clear this. If you are saying that I will clear this, I will help you to clear this. First you decide. I am sure that till now nobody have talked to you like this. Anybody have said regarding this exam anytime? I will help you. I will tell you how this exam is going to come and how to clear this exam. More about this exam I will tell you in future. There are negative marking in this, how the criteria are there, everything we will discuss in future. Okay, but my more focus on this because I want my maximum student should go in a NITs. My aim is there. I want to send at least 100 students in this. I can do any of the hard work for you people. Day and night I am ready to stay with you. Only thing you should be ready for that. Okay, this Akash, I don't wanted to take anybody coaching classes name. This big coaching classes, these are also struggling for this. Okay, you know the fees what they are charging. Okay, everything you know, but out of 300, now particular coaching classes you take, 300 students will be enrolled in that. From that 300, no, you will see a banner, and on banners like this people have got in NITs and IITs. How many people? 10 to 15. Am I right? More than that, photos you have seen anywhere? 10 to 15. If suppose 300 students is enrolled in those big coaching classes, and 10 to 15s are getting in NITs and IITs, what about 285 students? You think and tell me later. Okay, so this is the first exam you will try. JEE means GCET is there. Everybody will give GCET, irrespective whether you are giving JEE means or not. Okay, because this exam is later. This exam is first. Third is BITS Pilani, where I used to go. I was in BITS Pilani. You can Google it later and see what is meant by BITS Pilani. It is there in Goa only. So I will not talk about any other states. At least try to get in Goa. You heard about this anytime, students? So this college is a private college. Birla, you heard about Birla, no? He is a college. It is. It's a high level college. High level college. Fees are also high, but don't worry. If you are clearing their exam, BITS Pilani exam, and if you are going there to do engineering, Goa government is giving 100% scholarship. So don't worry about the fees. Now, what is the fees? If you are asking me the fees, you wanted to know the fees per semester. Semester means what? 6 months. Per semester, 1 lakh. This is the fees in BITS Pilani. Okay, but don't worry. Don't think that this will be a burden on your parent. No, the scholarship is given by the Goa government. Even Goa education loan is there where 0% interest is there on a loan, where entire tuition fees is given by a Goa government and you have to pay that fees after getting a job. That is called Goa education loan. Understood, student? So, BITS Pilani, which engineerings they are giving you? All the same again. Same engineering only, but the way they are teaching, that the syllabus is different. That's why there you are having 2 lakhs, here you have 50 lakhs. Syllabus is having a vast difference. Okay, now you have seen, no, how NCRT, you have seen NCRT. You heard about ICSC board? Yes or no? ICSC board you heard? Sharda Mandir school you heard? That the standard of Sharda Mandir is very high. And if you are talking about NCRT, the standard is here. That is the difference between a Goa board student and the ICSC student. The same way here also. BITS Pilani and GC, there is a huge difference. Same engineerings are there. Everything is same. Okay. Now, to clear this or to enter in BITS Pilani, it's a pride. Just to enter in BITS Pilani, it's a pride, I will say. Just to enter, I'm telling you. Which exam is there to go in this? Please try, students. Huh? Till now, nobody have gone of mine student. I want at least this year somebody should try this. The exam is BITSET. What is the exam? BITSET. When these applications are coming out, when JEE forms are coming out, everything I'm going to tell you. Even to fill the form, I'm going to help you. Everything I will help you. Only thing you need to sit, study, go and answer that exam. Is it clear? Okay. So BITS Pilani. Then fourth is MIT. Can anyone tell me the name of this? This is also like this, like NIT, BITS Pilani, like MIT. Any name for this? Anyone knows? For to go in this college, this is the college, institute, this is big institute. Exam is there. Again, what is that? MIT only. Anyone here who can tell me this? Very good. Manipal Institute of Technology. Here also the standard is very high like BITS Pilani. Many students doesn't know this. You should answer all these exams. If you are getting in this, no, you should go. Don't wait in this Goan colleges. This no, these are the normal easy colleges. Anybody is getting admission in this. You should be different. So answer these exams. You know about this? This is Manipal Institute of Technology. What about this? Here also the separate exam is there for this. Anyone? Very good. Vellore Institute of Technology. This is one of the, again, a prestigious institution like this. So these are the main 5 exams you can answer when you're going to pass out from your 12th standard. Now, till now, I'm sure like you thought only about GCET. Am I right, students? Yes or no? Syllabus is same, everything is same, preparation same, everything is same. But exams are different. If you are preparing 100%, if you are giving GCET, you will pass there. But if you are giving this exam, you might also pass in this also, no? So why you are not trying? You understood what I'm talking about? So whoever is going to go for a technical branch, you will give all these exams. I want every of my students should give this. All exams are online. Like GCET is only offline. These exams are all online. You can give by sitting here. Goa will be a center. When the applications are coming out, that I will tell. Only thing, you be ready for this. So any doubt for a technical student now in this? Any doubt in this? You wanted to ask any question for a technical student? You can ask now. If you want automobile, then directly go for automobile. Automobile engineering is there, but not in Goa. You will find it in Bangalore or Mumbai or Pune. But if you want related thing, go for a mechanical. Huh? Any question on technical field? Nothing? Okay. With respect to Goa board, so if you are going to give this exam, then only you will get an admission for those particular courses. Now, Goa board. What is the use of Goa board? You should take at least 50 to 60% as an eligibility criteria to give these exams. Now, to go for a BITS Pilani, there is an eligibility criteria for a Goa board. Goa board, you should get at least 80%. To go in BITS Pilani, your Goa board percentage should be at least 80%. It is not big thing. If you are there with me, you will do. I can't tell you like the student, one student is there who never thought about it. 10th standard, that student got 90%. But with me, entire year she stayed with me, and board exam she got 98 for chemistry, and overall percentage she got 92. Okay, so anything is possible. So don't think about it. First, you prepare your mind. Be motivated. I will do this, and I have to do this, whatever it may be. Other circumstances, whatever will be there, don't bother at all. I will go for this. This is your words. I want that. Don't think that sir, this problem is there, that problems is everywhere. Who is not having a problem? Now I have done 5 degrees. I can choose a job. No, if I'm getting in job, no, I will just get a salary. Why I have come in this field? Because I want my students to go to that particular colleges, these colleges. I want many students I will send here, and already I have started with that. Now enough material is also there with me. Books are there. Akash tutorial books are there. Everything I will give for free. Only thing is, after reading, after referring, you will give it back to me. Is it fine? So that I can forward it to the next batch. Because I am helping my student out of the way. There is no particular barrier for me that I will not help my student. Once you are coming here, you are my child for me. And to put you at particular place is my responsibility. Okay, so you in these tuitions, no, at least for in this class, you don't think like you are just attending a class. I'm going to change your entire mind. I'm going to change your future. That much you keep in mind. Only thing you need to work for that. Okay, so after this, we'll go for a technic, this thing medical field. Okay, one more thing I have not told. Anybody is here who is interested for architecture? You there? Okay. Now, architecture is also one of the field. Okay. In Goa, architecture college is there. Goa College of Architecture is in Panjim. Now, which exam you need to give to go for architecture? NATA. This is your exam. Remember, NATA is your exam you need to give. So based on NATA, NATA is all over India exam. Okay, so based on that, you will get a merit and you will get a admissions here. Okay, now this is general for only for a Goa engineering Goa architecture college. If you want architecture, even you can do your architecture from NITs. Again, I was just talking about NITs. There are many NITs in India now. You can do architecture in NITs. Now to clear that, which exam you need to go for? JEE means arc. B arc will be there like this. JEE means B arc. Means what? This exam JEE means is only for architecture, not for a normal engineering. Is it clear? Now this year already my student is there who is going to answer the 12th standard. He already got for this exam, our student from our tuition, he already got 85 percentile for this particular exam in January session. Already this exam is gone January and he scored 85 percentile. So we are just waiting that whether he will get the admission. It is depending upon the merit. So still one more chance is there in May month. Again he's going to try. I have told him he need to clear 90 percentile so that he can get the admission wherever he wants, whichever college. So you are going to try this exam. Is this clear? This you try, no doubt. But this you will try first. Then you go for this. Then medical student be ready to ask questions or queries. Yes, I can't hear you. Your voice is not clear. Ah, okay. According to me, see, at present, no, I will tell you properly. Computers, IT, etc. These are the field. Was earlier it was good, but it's been a more than a 10 years now. It is still in a recession. You are not getting a job in Goa at least. You will get a job either in Bangalore or Pune. You will earn a very high salary, but not in Goa. You need to go either in Bangalore or Pune for this. Mechanical, I just now heard that last year only one college, this thing company came for the recruitment in GC for mechanical. But mechanical, at least you are getting a job here and there because automobile industry is there in Goa, no? So you cannot get a job here and there. Electrical is good. You can have a little salary, lesser salary, but jobs availability are very high. So you think over it now. You want salary higher and you can explore the world, then go for computers, ITs and all. If you want to stay in Goa with your parent, choose electrical. Okay. And if you want like you can do a hard work. Okay. I can do a hard work and you will be in Goa also and you will earn a reasonable amount, go for mechanical. Civil is like whoever background is there, like family background in the construction world or anything like friends are there, then only you can go for a civil engineering because you will take at least 8 to 9 years just as a experience in the civil engineering field to build a building or to build a house. You will need more about a experience. If your family or if your friends are not in that business, understood? Okay. So we'll go for a medical now. So if you have decided to go for a medical, then subject you should keep is PCB. Don't take mathematics. If you are taking mathematics and you wanted to go for a medical, you will not reach in a medical because mathematics required more time, at least 2 to 3 hours per day. Okay, for a 12th science mathematics. So it takes more time. It will be waste of your time if you take mathematics, because for medical you don't require any mathematical field and any mathematical skills, I will say. Understood? So if you wanted to go for a medical, like engineering, I have told you different exams, but for medical you need to give only one exam, NEET. You heard about this exam? NEET. Now last year, I don't know whether you heard or not, it came on paper also. I have prepared a mock test on a NEET. It came up on many paper it came. Okay, I prepared a mock test on a NEET for entire India, all over India student, free of cost. So any of the student can answer when the COVID pandemic came, that time only last year in the month of May. That time I prepared that. I made a website and I have prepared a NEET mock test, entire test properly, the how the exam is there NEET the same way, and then I gave that to the student answered and I gave them the answer key so they can refer. So they got an idea like how the NEET exam is there, and by using that exam it will be helpful for them. They told me, they called and told, all over the Goa student called me and told me that it was very helpful, that by using this they got an idea like how the our NEET exam is going to be. Okay, so if you want that, still my website is there, you can go through that question paper, you can go through that answer key also. If you want, you can let me know later. Okay, so NEET, this is the exam you need to give. Now which particular subjects are there for this particular exam? PCB. Now how many questions they are going to ask? Physics 45 questions, chemistry 45 questions, and biology 90 questions. What is the syllabus? 11th and 12th both. Okay, one question is having how many marks? 4 marks. If suppose your one question is wrong, then what? Then minus 1 mark. So there is a negative marking here. If your answer is correct, you will get directly 4 marks. If your answer is wrong, minus 1 mark. This entire exam is of how many total marks? 720 marks. At present, if you are asking me to get in Goa, if you want a MBBS seat in Goa, last year one of my student went there. If you want an MBBS seat in Goa in general category, then from 720, at least you need to score 500. How many marks you need to score? You need to score 500 marks out of 720. Earlier it was very less. Now everybody is going for a NEET. Everybody is going for a medical field. Okay, and everybody is going for a good tuition, so you need to score at least this. So simply by using a Goa board, studying a Goa board, studying a NCERT textbook, you will not get these marks. You need to prepare it separately. You need to use a smart work. Rather than doing a hard work, do a smart work. You will clear your entrance exam. I have cleared many, so I am telling you. Okay, so this is the criteria for a NEET exam. Now usually when these exams they are conducting in the month of May, it is once in a year. Understood? Now by using this exam, which are the field or which are the courses you can apply for? Anybody is there here who is going to answer NEET exam? Students? Okay, many will be there. Many will be there. I'm telling you, most of my students, girl students, are going in nursing. They are clearing NEET exam and they are going in a nursing. Nowadays, just to go in nursing also, no, it's very difficult because the cutoff is very high now. Even to get in nursing is very difficult because only 100 seats are there in nursing. Okay, but many of the girls have gone in the nursing. So MBBS is the highest one, okay, where you can go for. Then after MBBS, second is BDS. You know what is meant by BDS, students? What's meant by dentistry? So first students are applying for MBBS. If suppose they are not getting for the MBBS, they are going for a dentistry. Okay. If suppose not dentistry, then they are going for a paramedical. What is meant by paramedical? Can you tell me at least two courses in paramedical? Anyone? You heard about physiotherapy? Doctors of physiotherapy, you heard? So physiotherapy or occupational therapy. Occupational therapy means what? You heard about autism child and all? Who is physically disabled child, say heard, no? Yes or no? To go through for them also, no, the physical exercises are there. Who is mentally tortured or some it is for the like workers, industrial workers. They are physically tensed. Okay, they are having some problems, so they are dealing by a occupational therapy doctors. Okay, so paramedicals means physiotherapy and occupational therapy. So first is MBBS, BDS, then physiotherapy, then occupational therapy, then nursing, BSc in nursing. Many people are going nowadays in nursing because in Goa, I'm telling you, in future, no, Goa will be a medical hub. In these 5 6 years, Goa will be a medical hub. If you are going in medical field, no, if you are choosing, no, government job is for sure for you people. I'm telling you. Engineering, there is a recession now, but medical is nowadays is growing in Goa. Okay, nursing is there. After nursing, Ayurveda, Ayurveda, then homeopathy. You heard? Okay, so this is called BHMS. The course is called as BHMS. This course is called as BAMS. For Ayurveda and homeopathy is nowadays the scope is increasing, but it is very slow. But it is increasing. You know, no, Ayush Ministry. Ah, so Ayush from Ayush Ministry, no, it is Ayurveda. So one college is going to come, Ayurvedic college is going to come in Goa. Is big college all over the India. A first college of Ayurveda is going to come in Goa. Do you know that? You heard about this? Where it is? Where it will be located? Who can tell me? Do you know the place where it is going to come? No. You heard about Padne? So Padne, this college is going to come. So these two field, like whoever is doing this, they are having more chances to get a job there. Okay, or else you don't have that much. What I will say, scope for Ayurveda and homeopathy if you are putting your. Can you hear me, students? Just a minute. Again, the same problem occurred, students. I cannot hear your voice. Please reply. I cannot hear. Already video recording is also going on. I cannot cancel also. I cannot hear your voice. Okay, so only I'll speak at present. I understood that when this problem occurred, it is only when I'm getting a call. Okay, so I'll do something about it. When I'm getting a call, that time only this problem is occurring. So still I'll try once. Just give me a minute. Hello, please reply, students. Still the same problem. Okay, I will speak now because I cannot hear your voice, students. Okay, so MBBS, BDS, paramedicals, where physiotherapy is there, occupational therapy, nursing, Ayurveda, BHMS. Okay, these are the courses are coming under a medical field. Okay, so to go in these courses, you need to give only one exam, that is a NEET exam. Okay, so NEET exam is very difficult nowadays. See, what is the criteria? I have already told you. So you have to be on your toes. You need to start from today to clear your JEE mains and to clear your NEET exams. Okay, so these are for medical things. So try to most of the students are going for the nursing. First, you try for MBBS. Our aim is for MBBS. At least mine. Okay, whoever I'm telling, no, I'm always trying to go for MBBS. If you're not getting for MBBS, then you will get at least this. But try for MBBS. Understood? So please go through this. So any doubt or any difficulty in medical? Any doubt in medical? Okay. Okay. Next is pure science. Pure science you can take PCMB. All four subjects you can keep. You can keep ISL. Okay. So where you can do BSc, where you don't require any entrance exams. Like which are the BScs which most of the people are nowadays going? I will say, if you're asking me, I will say agriculture. BSc in agriculture. The college is there where you require only a Goa board. At least 80% above is required to get admission in BSc agriculture, which is there in Sulcorna, Arivan side. That college is there. Only one college is there, BSc agriculture. Then second is BSc veterinary. BSc veterinary. This is another one. Veterinary doctors you heard, no? For a pet or any cow and all. So that is BSc veterinary doctors. It is for the doctors in short. Okay. So I will just confirm, like at present next year veterinary they are going to take on a NEET basis or only on Goa board. I will confirm and let you know. At present, just you go through this BSc veterinary. Third one is BSc fisheries. BSc fisheries. This course is not there in Goa. But the two seats are kept for Goa at Ratnagiri. Ratnagiri, one college is there at a place Dapoli. One college is there where BSc fisheries is there, and two seats are kept for Goa government. So every year, two of our students are going there to do BSc fisheries. Now, what is the use of that? After doing this, what is the use? You will sell your fish at fish market? No, not at all. You heard about the fisheries department in Goa, no? Goa government is having a fisheries department where fisheries officer posts are there. Many posts are there. Every after 3-4 years they are coming out. To get that post, no, this qualification they are asking. And many of our government doesn't have this particular qualification. Okay, so I am telling you. So if you are doing this, there are more chances to get in a government job. Again, BSc in agriculture, agriculture department is there. There also you can get a agricultural officer job. Okay, or else a private sector can be also occupied. But here private sector is less. You have to go for only for the government sector. Okay, then BSc in math, then Chem, BSc in Chem, then BSc in physics, then BSc in zoology, then BSc in botany. Okay, these are the BSc courses are there. By doing these courses, no only this
Maths camp, BSc in maths. By doing this, no, you will have some particular future, I will say, where people are less. But it is difficult to do on because only of doing BSc will not work. You have to do MSc after that. Okay, so just I will do BSc maths. You will not get any job. Okay, but BSc camp, if you do a BSc camp, then you will get a job in a pharmaceutical industries like Verna and all pharmaceutical industries are there. No, there you will get a job as a quality control officer. BSc physics don't have any future. BSc zoology don't have any future. BSc botany don't have any future. Now, if you are going for BSc, this is a pure science. If you are going for this is fine, this is enough. If you are going for BSc, maths, chem, physics, zoology, botany, don't wait here. Don't wait. Go for MSc. After doing BSc in this particular subject like BSc mathematics, go for MSc mathematics. Because nowadays nobody is standing with only with bachelor degrees. Everybody is going for higher degree. So go for a higher, that is MSc in maths, MSc in chemistry, MSc in zoology, botany. Now, if you do MSc in mathematics, then where the job opportunities are there, you can go for a teacher. As a teacher job you can do, or else you can go even in a commerce field, like how BCom is there, Bachelor of Commerce. So same way, like statistics, to check statistics and all, you they require mathematics. So you can go in that. Okay. MSc chemistry. What is the advantage of that? You can become a teacher like me. I have done MSc chemistry from Mumbai University. Okay, I have not done from Goa. Okay, so here after doing MSc chemistry, what you can get, you can become a teacher first of all, or second thing, you can again get a job in a pharmaceutical industries or chemical industries. MSc physics, after doing MSc physics, what is the job? Only a teacher. MSc zoology, MSc botany, only a teacher. Okay, so in these three criteria you can become only a teacher. Now to become a teacher, what is required? After doing MSc, you need to do a B.Ed. So see how lengthy procedure it is to become a teacher, and finally what it will be? Nothing. Okay, so to become a teacher in at least in 12th standard, school and 12th standard, see the procedure. Here you are wasting your 3 years, right? Then you are wasting your 2 years. Then again you are wasting your 2 years. So how many years to become a teacher you see? 7 years. Okay. Now if you wanted to become a teacher in a college, then what you need to do? You need to do a MSc, master in particular subject, to become a teacher in a college. Then either you clear NET exam. One exam is there called NET or SET. This exam you need to clear, or you need to do PhD. Now I was doing my PhD from BITS Pilani. Okay, so you need to do PhD, or you need to clear NET exam or SET exam. So if you are clearing any of these, then you can become a college teacher to teach for a BSc students. Okay, so these are the general things I have told you. Many small things are there. As and when I am going to remember, I will tell you. Now, even after doing this, you can go for an MBA also, Master of Business Administration. Even that you can do. Okay, so if you are going that, you will become a HR in particular companies. So after doing MS, you can do any of this, and any person after doing a bachelor, no, or a master can do MBA. Okay, then after that, no, you heard about civil service exam. Civil service. What is the criteria for this to give the exam? What is civil service exam? To become a deputy collector or mamledar, like that. Civil service exam is called IAS officers, IAS, IPS, IAS. Okay, IFS, Indian Foreign Services. So after doing any of these degrees, because nowadays no civil service exams are cleared by a science students. That's what I'm telling you. If you want a particular session on these civil service exams, we'll keep a session. But at present, I will just tell you general. Nowadays, most of the science students are clearing this civil service exam. It is called UPSC. Exam name is UPSC. The positions are IAS, IPS, IFS. You might be heard deputy collector or police commissioner, like this. Those posts. Okay. What is the criteria? You just need to take any of the bachelor degree after 12th standard. One degree you require. Then you can give this exam. So many of the people are going in this now. They are at least 2 years. They are trying their luck, I will say. So this is all over India. If you wanted to become a deputy collector only in Goa, then which exam you need to try? From now only after 12th standard you need to try this exam called GPSC, Goa Public Service Commission. So if you are clearing GPSC, that is Goa Public Service Commission, in Goa only you can become a deputy collector or any other higher post. What is the criteria? Only you require graduation. Many a student doesn't know about this. You know, because if you become a deputy collector, no, even a doctor or engineer will be under him. I'm telling you, it's a higher level post. So you can try this after your graduation. Okay, so this is a national level all over India. This is at least in Goa. You try this. I cleared this exam twice, GPS. So anybody can do this. Just you require a 6 months or 1 year preparation for that. You can clear this. Nothing more. Okay. So students, if you have any doubt, you can ask now. Yes. Yes, BSc, MSc, and B.Ed. Okay. Any other question? Biology. Okay. For NEET, no, I have a special material which I have taken from Rajasthan quota, and by using those material only, my student have cleared this NEET exam. Okay, so don't worry about biology. I'm going to give you the material. Enough material is there. You just be ready to study. Everything I will provide. Okay. Can't hear. Can't hear. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll just go out and come because I can't hear you properly.